All right, backsplash. We got to bring these out or else they'll sit too far in. I got these receptacle spacers. Three of them match up pretty good to the thickness of the tile. These are nice, but they fall through when they're on the screw. So I'm gonna try something. See if this helps. Wrap some painter's tape around them, poke a hole through. That way, once they get on that screw, they can't fall off. It's a pain in the ass. All right, let's see if this works. I did not turn off the electric. I should have turned the electric off. Hopefully I don't get my ass shot. Oh man, yeah. Sweet. Sweet. Definitely helped. Might have to put another one on that bottom one. I'm gonna grout first and then see if they're flush. It took me a minute, but instead of the tape, you can just spin these around. Now, your screw doesn't fall through. How long it took me to realize that?